Interesting project using Raspberry Pi. So in this project we are going to control the home automation. So we are going to control the home automation in the sense we are going to control the electrical appliances, and also we are going to operate the system by using the eye movement. So this project is specially for the person who is not able to use their hands and also not able to move their legs and only can able to move the eyes and head. So by only moving the eyes and head, he is going to control the home appliances around him and also going to operate the system by moving the mouse cursor and clicking left and right clicks. So this is the concept of the project. So by using this project, a physically disabled person can able to switch on and switch off the electrical appliances, and also he is able to operate the PC, that is personal computer. So this is how the entire project is going to be. Now let us see the project components. So the project component consists of a Raspberry Pi board, web camera, RF transceiver, MEMS sensor. So this is one kit, and second kit consists of Atmega HID controller, RF receiver, and third kit consists of a ESP8266 microcontroller, relay, lamp for testing the electrical appliances, power adapter for ESP8266 microcontroller. So this is the entire setup. So initially we are going to switch on the Raspberry Pi and run the project. So after running the project, Raspberry Pi will start capturing the thing by using the web camera. So web camera will capture the person in front of the camera and identify the face, and then it will identify the eyes, that is left eye and right eye. So it also identify whether the left eye and right eye is closed position or in the open position. So for doing this we are using the entire programming Python programming language, and for capturing the images and processing the images we are using OpenCV, and for identifying the left and right eye we are using TensorFlow based Keras algorithms. By using the entire setup, we are going to identify the face, and then we are going to identify the eyes, and then we are going to identify whether the eye is in open condition or in closed condition. So after identifying that, we are going to check for the mode. So there are two modes actually. So one mode is automation mode. Automation mode will automate the electrical appliances around him, and then mouse mode will control the system mouse cursor and also the left and right clicks. So initially it will be in the automation mode. So when the person see in front of the web camera, he will close his left eye. By closing the left eye and again opening the left eye, the electrical appliances will turn on. So this data will be transferred from Raspberry Pi to the electrical appliance kit via IoT, that is Internet of Things server, IoT server. So the data, whatever the data we are capturing the web camera, the left eye open close and right eye open close will be sent to the IoT web server, and this data will be received by the ESP8266 microcontroller from the internet, and it will control the electrical appliances by using the relay circuits. And then, so there are two appliances here. For example, you can consider light and fan. So if the person want to switch on the light, you have to close and open the left eye. To switch off the light, you have to again close and open the left eye. So by using this, you can switch on and switch off the light. And for switching on and switch off the fan, you have to open and close the right eye. So for the first time it will switch on the fan, and second time it will switch off the fan. So all the data from the Raspberry Pi that is received from the camera, which is converted to the eye application, will be transmitted to the IoT server. From the IoT server, the data is received by using ESP8266 microcontroller and control the home appliances. So for switching from this is automation mode. So for switching from the automation mode to the mouse mode, the user have to open and close and open both the eyes. If the user closes both the eyes and open, the mode will be changed. By changing the mode, it will go to the mouse mode. So after getting into the mouse mode, to move the cursor in the system, we use the MEMS sensor. So by moving the MEMS sensor, the cursor in the system will be moved. This sensor will be placed in the head. By moving the head, the cursor will be moved. By closing and opening the left eye and right eye, the left click and right click of the mouse operation will be completed. So for the mouse movement, MEMS sensor based head movement, and for left click and right click, eye open and close condition of left eye and right eye. So this is how the things will be working, and this data will be transferred to the system by using RF transceiver. So here we are using the RF transceiver which can transmit around 500 meters. So this transceiver transmits the data, and this data will be received by the RF receiver, and this data will be given to the Atmega HID controller. By using the HID controller, HID stands for Human Interface Device. So by using the HID controller, we can directly operate the system. So this is special HID controller with the USB model which can be directly inserted to the system. So the RF receiver will receive the data from the Raspberry Pi, and the data will be given to the HID controller, and this controller will map the head movement to the mouse movement, and also it will map the left eye open close to the left click of the mouse, right eye open close to the right click of the mouse. So this is how the entire system will be operated. So by using the system, the person can move the mouse cursor and also left click and right click by using the eye movement. And also another application, there is another mode is automation, by using which he can switch on and switch off the electrical appliances around him. So this project will be useful for physically disabled person who is not able to move his hands, and also is not able to move his legs, and is not able to speak also, because if he is able to speak, he can give the voice command. Since he is not able to speak also, he can give the head movement and eye to open close as a command for controlling his environment and also for operating the system. Thank you.